Cassoulet really, at the beginning, was that, the cassoulet, and not what was inside. So we put a bouquet garni. Then you need onions, because onions are always a flavor enhancer. Which carrots you can keep with your beans, because eventually they're going to melt and disappear in your cassoulet. And something that we call the ventreche. In Italy they call it pancetta. Here we call it unsmoked bacon. Basically it's something to give flavor to your beans. You cannot go further because there is a bone. At that point, don't try to force it, just open it with your hands. That way the joint is going to open naturally, okay? That way no little bones in the confit. And that will be the two portions, right? Garlic sausage is basically a pre-cooked sausage. It's a sausage that has cooked either in red wine or in milk, but it has been poached already. What I like to do, I like to have slices like that and cut them in half. So this is how it should look like. When you cook the sausage, the fat, because it's not saturated, is going to get out of there. So that's why we put some pork in there. Pork is saturated fat. What I suggest is that you put a little bit of duck fat on top. Doesn't need to be, you know, it's going to melt like that. It's going to go down and it's going to help the crust also.